All right, now you guys should be able to hear me loud and clear. All right, you should be able to hear me loud and clear. Don't worry, you didn't miss anything. Okay, you didn't miss anything. So let's go ahead and take a look at some news. Well, not news, but take a look at the charts real quick. And we're gonna look at all right, perfect. Renko's, that's right. AUD USD. Okay, AUD USD. This was last night on this pair right here. Let me see. Did the market actually break past it? Did it actually do anything on this pair? Let's see. All right. Really didn't do much. Even look at this. We went to sleep and it still really didn't do much. It didn't even hit our zone. You see? Look at this team. This was a from here to here was only a 15 pip drop. Okay? And then from here to here was 15. So we went to sleep and the market still did not touch our zone. How many of you would have waited? We might be able to use the same. Nah, we can't use the same zones. But Aussie give you 10 pips a week. So with this news, what pair do you think we should trade with the Aussie? Okay? With this news, what pair? And again, we want GA. Everybody's saying GA, EA, but you guys know the spreads on those things. Now, some people make money, others don't because of your broker. Let's take a look at Aussie JPY. Those spreads on GA is horrible, and it don't pay. But if you guys want to trade it, Aussie CAD. Let me see what's the pip range on this real quick. The daily pip range. EA, it's totally up to you. Daily pip range on this one here is 58 pips. Around 58 pips. Daily pip range. 104 on that day. That's Aussie JPY, Aussie CAD. Trying to get you some pips. Aussie CAD, let's see what we got. Aussie CAD is giving us about 40 pips. Let's go with someone say Aussie NZD. AJ low spreads. I know. Aussie NZD 21. I know Aussie NZD moves on news. 38 pips. No Aussie NZD. I know, Charmaine. Spreads open up like. Look at this. Look what this market has been doing since the 9th. Just moving sideways. Been moving sideways. Okay. What happened to XAU just now? What you mean? What happened to gold right now? XAU USD. Call the cops. Call the cops. Let's see what happened to gold. Then. What the? What are you talking? Are you kidding me? Come on. We got. All right, come on. All right, I'm not even gonna watch the comments anymore. What's happening to gold right now? You're panicking over this? All right, let's get back into it. This is why sometimes I don't watch the comments. Yeah, that's not doing anything. Now someone's like, US 30 dropping, US 30 dropping. I'm gonna try one more time. Why am I even doing this? We don't even trade US 30 over here. Let's see. Okay. All right, so let's go over to drug test, right? Yeah, drug test. All right, so we're gonna look at we can use NZD too. Aussie. Probably get something crazy. 21 pips. Guys, we're only looking at pairs that's based off of Aussie news, okay? AUD, JPY. That's what we're going to look at. Last one. AUD, JPY. That's it. That's the one we're going to look at. AUD, JPY. Okay? AUD, JPY. Aussie BTC. All right. So, 9:13. I'll be back at this in a second, okay? But in the meantime, in between time, we're going to come back to that in a second. So Aussie JPY is what we're going to be looking at. Aussie JPY is what we're going to be looking at tonight, okay? Just going to put this here and put this one here just for now. Perfect. All right, let's get into the education, part three. So on tonight's topic, we are looking at Renkos. Where are my Renkos? Uh-oh, did it freeze? There we go. We're looking at Renkos tonight. Aussie JPY. Yeah. All right, so I want to show you guys a cool little trick. Well, it's not really a trick, it's just structure. All right, you ever thought to yourself, why do we have wicks? Okay. Why do we have wicks right here on the Renkos? When Renkos is supposed to be it's supposed to be a distraction killer. No distractions. Well, it's there for a reason. Okay? The wicks are there for a reason. Now, I'm going to show you guys tonight how to use both the Renkos and your regular pair, your regular charts at the same time. We're on the same time frame. So let's go over here and we're going to start right around this level here. Now, whenever you see these wicks right here, let's just put a line right there. See those wicks? All right, just focus real quick. Don't worry about the questions just yet. Let's focus on the wicks real quick. I want to show you something. Now, let's find it here on the candle chart. Okay, let's find it here on the candle chart. There we go. Now let's find the beginning of it. Let's find the beginning of it. There it is. There's the beginning. Perfect. So now we've already found the beginning where we are. Perfect. Right here and right there. Let's measure it up, line it up. Now, okay. So if you don't understand Renkos, it's okay. You can go back and watch the other videos and it'll definitely explain it. Now, when we talk about swing highs and swing lows, what we're really looking for is the market breaking new highs. Okay? So with these wicks here, let me remove this line so you can see the wicks. With these wicks here, all I'm doing with these wicks is saying to myself, okay? All I'm doing with these wicks is saying to myself, all right, here's a high right here. The market drops down. All right, the market drops down and it comes back up. Here's a high right here. Okay, here's a high. Here's a high. Now, right here is a low. It's going to make sense in a second. Here's a low right here. This is the cool part. If you're using your Renkos to find your highs and your lows, it eliminates all of the noise in here. So these wicks here, let me just shift this market over just a little bit. Perfect. As this market creates a low here, I'm asking myself, where's the high to this section over here? Where's the high? Here's my low. Where's the high? So if I put a line here, now I ask myself, is this the high? So I go over to my Renkos, go to my Renkos, go to my Renkos, and I'm looking for the high. Perfect. So my high is right here. This is going to be my highest high. When the market drops down, comes back up, none of this stuff here really matters. If this is my high, and this one down here is my low on the Renkos, watch this now. This is not my low. That's not my low. My low is all the way down here. So traders, something that you may not see or may not understand, I taught this today. If you want to eliminate the distractions, you want to eliminate the confusion, the emotional side of trading, all you have to do is identify your high and your low. Whatever's happening in the middle is none of your business. All right? Whatever happens in the middle is none of your business. Okay? So this is my high, this is my low. This is my high, this is my low. Everything that's happening here, I'm just going to write this down for you. Oops. It's none of my business. I know a lot of you want to catch those moves in the middle. But traders, trust me, this is where a lot of you getting caught up in the middle. Oh no, the market going up. Oh no, the market's going down. It's going up. You're getting caught up right in the middle. Well, all you have to do is wait for the market to break your high. The moment the market breaks your high, you're in the trade for a buy. Would it be okay if you just caught this trade for 135 pips? 135 pips. Now, when the market breaks your high, remember, everything that you're doing on the left side, you're preparing yourself for what's about to happen on the right side. Listen, here it is again. Everything that you do on the left side, you are preparing yourself for everything that's going to happen on the right-hand side. So, if this is my high, okay, raindrops is on the daily and candles on it. I'm not sure what that means. I'm not sure what you're saying about raindrops. But anyway, you see what this is what I mean over here. You see all these zones right here? This was my high. This is my high. The moment we break the high and we come back down in the high, I'll line it up for you. All you're doing now is waiting for the retest and take the sell. Here it is right here. I'll line them up for you. The moment the market breaks the high, come back down into the zone, you're waiting for your retest, and you're taking the sell. This becomes your new structure. And it's going to happen over and over and over and over again. All right, I know a lot of you are lost on that, but it's okay, and I'm going to clarify it right here. I know you're lost. I know. So watch, this is what I'm going to do over here. Here's my high. Here's my low of that Renko candle. Here's my high, and here's my low of that Renko candle. The same setup. Put a line right here to show you that it's the same setup. Okay? Structure, structure. You wait for the break and the retest and take the trade. Okay? You wait for the break and retest to take the trade. Okay, it happens over and over and over and over. Okay, so right here, what do you find? Here's my high. Of that Renko candle. Here's the low. Let's set it up for you. Breakout, retest, take the trade. Breakout, retest, take the trade. Okay? All right, let me go over here to AJ because I know a lot of you are panicking right now. Oh my goodness, the news! The news! Yes, this is like cheating. Guys, understand what the news is. The news is like the lottery. Okay? The news is like the lottery. What are your odds of winning the lottery? Okay? What are the odds of you winning the lottery? It's free money sometimes. All right, so here's the low, and here's the high. I'll go with this high. And 24. You see the reason why I like to wait a few minutes just before, because of all of this nonsense right here. Okay? All this nonsense right here. I like to wait. That's 3, that's 13, 25 pips. Okay? I got a big gap in there, so now I gotta try something different. I got a big gap in there. Use this high. Yeah. It's the high. It's the low. Perfect. Give me I'll take 15. It's better not be no dud either. Can someone answer that question for Oluwaseun, please? Oluwaseun, this is not trading, this is gambling. Okay? This is not trading, Oluwaseun. This is gambling. Alright, so that puts me at 26 pips. I want to be 15 pips away from the market. Perfect. That's why you wait a few minutes. You only want to be about 10 to 15 pips away from the market. Okay, and my target, sheesh. I mean, if it go that far, 30 pips. Let me see if we can put some good music on tonight. Come on. Put some good music on tonight. Some go get the money type of music. Downloads. Minute, 16 seconds left. Alright, so I want to be about 15 pips away. Alright, we still 12 pips from there. 35 seconds. Okay. And about 15 from there. Alright, 18, 17, 16, 15. Oh snap. There we go. This looks like it might explode. Might do that V bottom to the upside. One. Oh. Come on. Keep pushing. Come on, baby. Come on. You in there now. You in there. Come on. Break this one. Come on. 15 pips. All right, team, go ahead. Move your stop loss, baby. Let's go.
Go get the money. I just racked up a trick. Go.
Hold on. Minute, 16 seconds left. Alright, so I want to be about 15 pips away. Alright, we still 12 pips from there. 35 seconds. Fred probably killed you. I hope you guys ate.
Go with the money. Scale it. Way to run.
Okay, let's come back to earth. Somebody say Hugo suck. Oh man, my sell order didn't even trigger it. What you mean your sell order didn't trigger it? Activating. Oh man. Look at this. Keep moving, baby. Why are you playing games? Alright, let me see what we're looking like. It triggered, didn't put the TP, so it's still a fail. Uh-oh. It's really that easy. My $17 account blown. Hold on. Made 760 on GBP odd. He goes, somebody said they blew their $17 account. On a $17 account, what was your lot size? Woo. Trigger late, went into negative. Okay. Wait. What pair did you trade? because I know I see a lot of people putting up GBP AUD. A lot of people putting up GBP AUD paid, GBP AUD paid. Um, but at the end of the day, if you traded, whew, all right, AJ paid you, okay. AUD, nice, caught it. Man, it seems like you guys trading everything. Whew, you guys trading everything. AJ paid on Trader's Way. Whoa, sheesh. AUD USD dropped down. Oh, 19. AJ paid. AN was big. Team, understand something. I bought AJ on the wick a couple minutes ago. AUD 30 pips. I got all that. Okay, cool, cool, cool. Understand something. Danielle, you say you was robbed. Oh, you bought AJ coming from the bottom. All right, sorry, this fan coach. Just want to get your attention. Is it really that easy, coach? The lesson, not the news. Does it only work on sales, or if it breaks above, you can buy? Okay, let me unmute you real quick. Can you? Let me see. Can you put that message again? I want to give you a chance. All right, Joni. Let me see. Joni, how you doing?
Hey, what's up, coach?
All right. Is it Joni or Johnny?
Johnny.
Johnny. Okay. All right. State your question again, Johnny.
Well, no, on the lesson that you were teaching before we got on the news, most of them were based on sales.
Mm-hmm.
So like when it broke down below and it broke that second the lower wick,
mm-hmm.
or where you place the lower mark. I was just wondering if it breaks above that, would it work on buys or is it only?
Yeah. So what we put in was both. One was a buy, and the other one was a sell. All right. The one above was a buy. The one below was a sell. Okay. So right here, this would have been your buy, and this would have been your sell. I usually, paint this green so you can see it.
No, but this is the news. I was talking about the lesson.
Oh, the lesson.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Yes. Let's get back into that. Okay. We might have that continuation. Look at this. This might be the continuation. Okay. Perfect. Yeah. I'll definitely go into it right now. Perfect.
Yeah, my question was just because the two examples you gave before the news showed were sales. Like when it broke below, we sold it.
Yes.
And we caught those nice bids going down.
Perfect.
But I was just wondering if it breaks above, will we be able to catch buys?
Oh yes, let me go in and show you some buy opportunities. All right, perfect. Okay, yeah, guys. Yeah, I don't do recommendations on brokers. Again, it happens. Remember what the news is. The news is just, hey, good job. Appreciate you. I always needed purple on my chart. Okay. Just remember, news, it's hit or miss. Sometimes you get it, depending on your spreads. Like you can see here, with this trade here, it didn't even come close to your buy opportunity, and it dropped down and broke. That's why I wanted to get as close as possible, 15 pips from the current market. I've caught news on Hugo plenty of time. Today was the first time it moved my entry, but lesson learned, news on my Traders account. CoinX is cool. Do the research, people. Coach isn't allowed to recommend brokers. Cool. Yeah, some brokers, they don't even allow you to trade the news. Like FX Glory. I used to have FX Glory a long time ago, and let's say you caught 100 pips on the news. Well, it's not going to reflect in your account. They don't honor news on FX Glory. Okay, they don't honor news on FX Glory. Yeah, so yeah, this is beautiful. And the reason why I didn't give you guys GBP AUD, GA, most of you would have been screaming. Okay, if you think AJ, all right, if you think AJ was horrible, the spreads on this one here, if you didn't have a big enough count, would have probably put you in up here. Okay. Coach, the pairs that wick, will they fill the gaps? It's all good. Getting back on you. Getting it back on US 30. Coach, we caught GA. Play my song. Push it, push it. Oh, man. Good job. Good job. For those who made money, good job. For those who didn't make money, listen, your time is coming. My trade shot me up into profit and back into negative within a blink. I ended up getting out with $6. Hey, think about it. If you made $6 on a trade, it was $6 more than you had when you first started. Okay. I'm done. Tonight, make 3K. 5 standards. Jeez. All right, come on. Let's get back into it. All right, so let's go ahead and answer the question on this right here. Euro, AUD. All right. So the question is, can we trade this for a buy? That's right. You can trade in both directions. Okay. So I was showing you the wicks, and before showing you the wicks on here, I was just showing you the wicks on the highs. Remember this? We were seeing the highs. You see the wicks, and you put the market on the low right here. And then you wait for your retest. Okay? You wait for your retest. So now let's go ahead and switch over to the candle so you can see both of them in action. Okay. All right, so the bottom one is going to be your candle. First, let me switch over to the 1 hour time frame. Perfect. The bottom one is going to be your candle, and the top one is going to be your Renkos. Okay, perfect. All right. Yes, swing lows and swing highs, yes. So take a look at this real quick, team. Notice the Renkos is shifting because the market is still moving. Okay, you're only going for 25 to 30 pips. That's all you're going for. So this is going to be a sell opportunity. All right, this is going to be a sell opportunity here. All right, you see that? You see you got the break. Remember, here's your high. Here's your high. You got the break, retest, drop. You're only going for 20 to 30 pips. Okay? How many pips are we going for? 20 to 30 pips. That's it. That's all you need. Now let's take a look at a buy opportunity right below. Here's my wick. And I'll put this one right on the top of it right here. And I'll look for a beautiful buy opportunity. Okay. Yes or no? Do we have a buy opportunity? Market, 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 breakout, retest, buy opportunity. Do we have a buy opportunity? Okay. And how many pips did we catch? Do we need? 20 to 30 pips. We're done right here. We're done. Okay. Over and over and over. All right. As we move the market back, we're doing the same thing. Those wicks are your friend. Don't sleep on the wicks. Don't sleep on the wicks. Take this. Put it right here at the top. Put it right there on the body. And go get the money. Go get the money. Go get the money. Right here, we line it up. Breakout, retest, and buy. How many pips do we need? Pip, pip, hooray! 20 to 30 pips. You get your pips and you're out of there. And you're probably asking, is it that simple? No, it's not. How would you use this method with the current market? Okay. How would you use this method with the current market? So here's the current market right here. Do we have a wick on Renkos on the current market? If you can't see whether or not we have a wick or not on the current market, then you won't be able to use this on the current market. So you see right here, we got a wick here. This one, let's use the last one that formed. Doesn't matter. Uh-oh. This one here. And where am I going to put my next line? I put one here. Where am I going to put the next line? At the top. Okay? So put it at the top, right about there. So, would it be safe to say that we could have been in this trade a long time ago? Right here. The last hour, we could have been in this trade on the last hour buying that market up. Can you determine when to buy or sell, I guess, before the news? Nope. It's just a gamble that you have to take. Okay? Not me personally. You know, when, let's say, even though this market came here, yep, stop loss is right at the bottom. Stop loss at the bottom. So that would have been a cool trade to catch this whole entire move from here all the way up. Okay? But again, I could not have shown you this because we were too focused on the news. So imagine if I would have had enough time to show you this right here instead of focusing on the news. So let's just take a look at some other days where we had news and see if it really did work. Okay? So we had some U.S. news this morning, which was negative just on the dollar. And then we had some Euro news. Okay? So let's go back and let's take a look at some USD news. USD CAD. Okay? USD CAD. We had some news this morning. Okay? And let's find this morning. All right, 8 a.m. Where are you? 15th. All right, so that's 5, 6. Okay, so I guess around here. Okay, so now, could we have used this morning? This morning, the market was here. Okay, market was here this morning. Got a big old drop. I'm on the 4 hour. Nope. I think I'm on the 1 hour. Yeah, I'm on the 1 hour. Look, this would be the 4 hour. It would be highlighted if I was on the 4 hour. You see? I'm on the 1 hour. So now what I'm looking at, okay, this didn't happen yet. None of this happened. We were only up to here. And this wick didn't happen till after the news. So I couldn't use that one right there. So I would have used not this one, but the highest one because the market, see right here is equal distance to this part right here. So I wouldn't have used that one. I would have used something over here. This high with this low. Okay, so using that high Okay, so here's the high. Once the market broke out, retest, drop, breakout, retest, drop. Let me bring this over so you can see it. What do you mean wait, Rodney? Rodney? Okay, breakout, retest, drop, massive drop. That was on the 10th. The market comes back up to this zone again. Consolidation, consolidation, consolidation. All of this right here. On this one right here, I think you would just have to wait for it. We'll probably get the retest pushing back up to the zone. Yeah, we might get a 50% back at the zone here. That might be possible. And if we do get that 50, we could take it down to the 127. Would it be nice to put a buy stop or sell stop? No. Buy stops and sell stops is only for volatile markets. If the market is not volatile, do not use a buy stop or sell stop. Because what happens, and that's a very good question, I spoke about that briefly today. Let's say this is the market right here, and the market is dropping, dropping. You think it's going to drop, and it breaks just below, it enters your sell stop and pull you back the other way. Now you're trapped. You're trapped in the market. So what you want to do is wait for the market to break, get a retest, and take the trade. Okay? Wait for the market to break, get a retest, and take the trade. That's why here, even if you don't catch this volatile move right here, it's okay if you don't catch the move. We have to be okay with, but there were multiple touches on that line or multiple retests. Which one do you choose? Okay. This is the news this morning, the 8 o'clock news this morning. We have no control over this, right? But what we do have is this high, and this low. The question is now, from this high and this low, after the news breakout, did you get a retest? That's what I want you to see. Did you get a retest? Oops. Okay. So here's the question. Yes, that one was a lot clearer. Perfect. After this one here, we missed the news. Okay, we missed the news. We missed the news here. Let me blow this up because you guys are probably having a hard time seeing the lines. Okay. Don't worry about catching the whole move. Breakout, retest. All you need is 20 to 30 pips. We got 29 pips on this trade. Are you okay with that? Your goal was only 20 to 30 pips. You got 29 pips off the retest. Now, is it possible that the market could do this? Drop, measured move, back to the retest, and come down to the zone here. And if it comes down to this zone, can you tell me what you see over here? This might be a good sell now. It might be a good sell opportunity. Okay, because what pattern do you see? Now tell me, what do you see? Okay, so from here to here could be it's a 40, 45 pip, move, if we can get that move. Let's see what this move looked like on a higher time frame. Wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a minute. Line chart time. Wait, cut the head off. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. Do you see it? It's another one in here. So I'm going to go from here, cut the head off, right up to here. This, let the market breaks through, come back up, retest. Boom, boom, boom. See what the market looks like. If this market can close outside of this bar right here, this red line, we could have a possible drop. Yeah, we could have a possible drop. And then we have what we call divergence. If you've never seen me do this before, this is my version of divergence. Let me show you what my version of divergence is. Let me clear everything from the chart so you can understand my version of divergence without using any indicators. That's right, Roderick. X marks the spot. That's my version of divergence. You see the line chart? Let me blow this up for you. Notice on the line chart, I'm going to connect this point to this point. Watch what happens when we put the wicks up. When we put the wicks is going this way. So now, in order for me to enter this trade, I need to see the market break and close below the X. So if we get a move like this, where this market break and close below, break and close below, and then give me a retest, I'll look for the continuation sell down. Okay, remember, we're breaking outside of all of this right here. All you're going to do is recreate the bodies of that candle. So just make it like this is a candle, recreate the body of it, break, close below, retest, continue the move down. I always look for 2 trend lines to cross, and mine never did. Spicy Monkey says, oh, I finally see where. Okay, so there's a lot of things that I can show you guys without using indicators. Okay, there's a lot of things I can show you without using indicators. Okay, all I look for, Coach, I am new to the app today. Will you place these potentials in the app as signals? Okay. Well, what I'm going to do is basically give you these, take some screenshots. Okay. Take some screenshots. And let's see what happens. All right, so EuroJPY was a setup that I called earlier. And I wanted EuroJPY. So this is a huge head and shoulder pattern. EuroJPY got in the trade. We took it up for, it was like 10 pips maybe. I had some instant profits. 10 pips. Okay, but I'm looking at this zone here. Structure, breakout, market comes back in. I want us to hold this level right here. If we can hold this level, switch to my line chart real quick. If we can hold that level, we can possibly break out. Yeah, we can possibly break out of that. It really wants to break out of this zone really bad. So if we can hold that, we could possibly push out of here, push out of that zone, just like so. If we can get that breakout here, as long as we close above, oh man, look at this. This is what I want you to see. The market drops, pull back, drop, pull back, drop, pull back. Now, Every time the market drop, put a line. Everything you do over here, you're setting yourself up for what's about to happen over here. So if this market does break out, team, here's your retest. And there's your trade. This is what you want to see. Perfect. That's what you want to see. So if this market, and I'll just recreate this right here, that wick, oh man, that's going to be a beautiful move. I think I'll just put a body right on the top of that right there. And trust me, this could be either your target, bearish, bullish engulfing, breakout, retest. That could be your target right there. So if we can take this market from here all the way up to there, that's about 46 pips at 123.090. Beautiful head and shoulder pattern. I just need us to hold this zone right here. If we can hold that level and break above, this thing is over. It's shooting up to the moon. Euro JPY. Yeah, Euro JPY. You like Hennessy? I got you. Oh man. So with that being said, team, hey Oran, I'm new as well. What's a good video to watch in your channel that you've previously made where I can watch you chart trend lines? Wow. I have to go in and they want us to title all of our names on a thing. So my IG is Financially Fit 247. Financially Fit 247. US USD CAD. Charting trend lines. Oh man, there's so many. If you guys are going to be in the Atlanta area tomorrow, we're going to be doing something special, something crazy. We got filthy pips coming all the way over. Okay. Filthy pips, we're coming to hang out. All right, so trend lines, trend lines, trend lines. First, I like to start off on my line chart. Okay. Trend lines, I like to identify my lowest point or my highest point. Sometimes you're not going to see it. So I'll just chop this off right here. All right. So now let's just act like this is the current market. So now this is the current market right here. Where am I? All right. I know that I'm right here. You need to know where you are. I am right here. Perfect. Easy steps. Easy steps. I am right here. Where's my most recent high? Someone might ask, how far do you go back? Well, it's far enough until you can find the most recent high. I can't use this one because I'm right there. What about this? Yes, that's the most recent high. All right, what about my low? Where's my most recent low? Now, your low might be easy to find. All right, how do I determine which one is my low? Well, look at this. We spoke about it earlier on part 1. On my low, wait for the market to come down. All right, here's my low. Do we have 2 candles that go above? Yes. These 2 candles go above, so guess what? This is my low. All right, I'll put a line there. But Oran, over here, I got a low point here. I got a low point here too. Can this be my low? Well, let's find out. Do I have 2 candles above on the left side? Yeah. Do I have 2 candles above on the right side? Yeah. Well, that's your low also. Perfect. Oh man, cool. That solved the problem. I was confused. Which one should I use? Okay, perfect. Now that I'm right there, I've identified my high, identified my low. I'm going to set an alarm right here. Boom. Add an alarm. Boom. Add an alarm. Sit back and relax. Sit back and relax. Whoa. What just happened? What just happened? Well, can anyone tell me real quick? I just gave you guys a strategy. I don't think you realize it. How many of you realize I just gave you one of the easiest strategies out there? Okay? Everything that happens here is none of your business. How many pips you going for? 25 to 30 pips. Smashed. You got your breakout candle, got your retest, take the trade. All right, standard lot size is what we're training. Standard lot size is what we're taking. Standard lot size got 30 pips, $300 on the first trade. Cool. How much money did I make on the first trade? $300. Cool. Today is Monday. Oh, cool. I like that. $300. All right. I come back and I do it again. Where am I? I'm right here. Where's my low? It's right here. Where's my high? Where's my high? Where's my high? I got to go back until I found my high. Can I get high? Where's my high? Oh. Now this one is tricky. This is very tricky. You know why? Because sometimes your high might be super high. Ah, Nikki, you remember that, huh? You taught this a year ago. You remember that. That's right. You see, I love those who pay attention. All right, I'll use this as my high. I have to break it anyway. I have to break it anyway. You know? Ooh, wait. None of my business. Ooh. Oh. You missed the green screen? It's coming back. It's coming back. Yeah, the green screen is coming back. Green screen is coming back. All right. When will it be appropriate to sell the highs and buy the low? Okay. When will it be appropriate to sell the highs and buy the low? You guys want to see something real quick. If you trade one pair, this could be you. Check this out. Here's my high. Market drops down. None of my business. Oh, the market drops. At one point, this was my low. The market broke out, got into my trade. The market came back up, held this zone, and shift the market up. What pattern do you see? Okay, inverted head and shoulder. You see, when the market held this level, and then it shifted all the way down, and it came all the way back in that zone, you buy that baby with confidence. You buy that baby with confidence. Okay? You buy that baby with confidence. Someone asks, do you do training on levels? Well, I'm in the process of fixing it 100%. We're working on some things. We should have some, okay. Ooh, news just came out on Euro and they just gave you a buy limit right now. Perfect. In the trade. Beautiful. Market shot up, come back down, give you a retest, and here's your buy limit for Euro odd. Team, I'm going to tell you, this is the trade right here. I'm going to be honest with you. Take your profit at 30 pips. The market may not give you 50 pips. Okay? So on levels, real quick, I'm just going to run through this real fast. Okay? Run through this real fast on levels. So this is based off of Renko's. Everything I've been teaching you on Renko's, this is what levels is based off of. Okay? So what we're looking for is the, we're doing 1, 2, 3 on the Renko's, and this is a buy opportunity. The market shifts up. Buy is going to come out with a time and date, retest, take the market up. Now, if you're brand new to trading, you're trying to figure out what pair should I trade. Right now, we're in the Asian session, so you click on the Asian session. So these are all the Asian pairs, the JPY pairs. We'll take a look at CHF JPY. Oh, this was last night. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay. Euro JPY. USD JPY. There's a lot of noise. I'm working on this right here, where you have the buy sell. No, you don't want to do this. When you see this stuff right here, ignore this. Buy sell. I'm working on that. I'm just going to make it right for you. Okay? So remember I told you guys, 30 pips is all you need. When the market broke out, gave you a retest, take the market down for 30 pips. Get in and out. This market shifted down for 35 pips and pushed back the opposite way. The market is going to trade in between 20 to 30 pips, and it's going to trade in that range of 20 to 30 pips until it breaks out. Once it breaks out that range, it's going to trade between 25 to 50 pips until it break out. Then it's going to go to 75 pips until it break out. So this is the reason why I tell you 20 to 30 pips is what you need to become a consistently profitable trader. How many pips do you need? All right, London pairs. All right, so with the London pairs, there you go, 20 to 30 pips. All right, London pairs. All right, it would make it so much easier if we had the Renko bars on here so you can see them. All right, that's the one thing I'm waiting for. So this is Euro NZD. We got the break way before the news. The break, retest, the market goes up. You see what happened when it comes near 50 pips? It shoots down the other way. And now it's trading within a range. So where's that range? That range is right here. I like to box up the range. When you box up the range, this is outside of the system. When you box up the range, now you can see where your target is going to be. It's either going to be here or your target is going to be here once it breaks out of that range. That's why I really don't need the breakout. I trade after. Okay? So we got 3 blocks. The market can break out here, retest, take your trade, target is here. It can break out here, retest, take a trade, there's your target here. All you're doing is waiting for the breakout. Okay? See this range right here? Here's your range from here to here. You can do this over and over and over. Measure it. Team, if I was wrong, we would not have had a target like this. You see this line right here? Is that correct? Did I do that right? Someone, you guys still here? Did anyone fall asleep? Okay. You see that? All I did was measure the consolidation. And then next thing we did was we got a breakout. Where did the breakout happen? If you guys follow me, you'll be beast traders. All right, you got your breakout here, your retest, and the market shift up to here. Thank you. I appreciate that. Okay. I appreciate that, Jascard. Okay. That's all we're doing is finding the consolidation. Whenever you see consolidation on your chart, just say, oh, here's the high point, here's the low point. And watch how the market trades between this range, the high, the low. The high, trade between that range, and all you're going to do is find the consolidation, box it up, wait for the break, and here's your target. Over and over and over. Okay? Over and over and over. Wait for the break, retest, take the trade. Over and over. Box it up like Chinese takeout. All right? Guys, thank you for tuning in this week. I promise you, I'm going to be honest with you. Today's session was not one of my favorites. It was not one of my favorites. You can tell when it's one of my favorites. All right? I know, Donald. I know. You can tell when it's one of my favorites because I'm so back to back. It's like boom, 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 mind blowing, boom, 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 and I just feel like today I was off a little. I felt like I was off a little bit, and I got to make it up somehow. I'm probably going to do a pop-up tomorrow. Yeah. Blame it on the news. Yeah, I know, Charmaine. I know you guys say I still brought it. Someone said get some rest. I don't even know what sleep feel like, man. I got up today, and I was supposed to do some calls, one-on-ones. Let me see. Let me see. Eric, are you here? Eric. Can you hear me, Eric? I can't hear you. Kind of low.
Hold up.
No, that's the wrong Eric. Eric? All right. All right, what's up with ATL? Atlanta, what's up with Atlanta? Well, tomorrow we're linking up. We have Filthy Pips coming into town tomorrow. Filthy Pips is coming to ATL tomorrow, and we're all going to link up, go out and have some trading fun. And then I'm going to link up with Tracy Walker for Sips and Pips. They trying to get me lit with Sips and Pips tomorrow. So we got some events going on. I think I lost my voice. I need to hurry up and get my voice back for that boot camp. Oh man, I forgot where I'm gonna be at this weekend. Where am I gonna be? Man, where am I gonna be at this weekend? Sheesh. Oh, Houston. Yes. Houston. Yeah, I think I need some sleep. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. So, I promise you guys, I'm not going to be on the internet the rest of the night. I am going to sleep. You know, right, Charles? Don't you think I need some sleep, Charles?
You need some sleep, Oran.
I know.
You deserve it.
I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it tonight.
Hey, even the goat has to sleep.
I know. I think that's a sheep, right?
Oh, man, you got it.
Do goats even make noise? Talk to me, Charles.
You're doing good, man. Tonight was good, just like always.
I appreciate it. You know, I just felt like you know when it's your best, right? You know when it's your best, and you know when I'm such a perfectionist that when it's not my best, I feel down.
Oran, man, you bring it. Don't worry about it, brother. You're doing good.
All right, Perp. I appreciate that. You know, my team. I'm gonna get on them tonight. I'm gonna get on
You
my
know
team
you got a
tonight.
high bar.
Huh?
You just got such a high bar to keep.
So
But
you mean to tell me that I'm not in competition with anyone else? I'm in competition with myself?
That's right. Oran versus Oran.
Huh? Huh? Man, okay, I appreciate that. Well, I'm gonna beat yesterday up for setting the bar so high. All
That's
right,
right.
thank you. I appreciate you guys. I promise you, I'm gonna get some sleep tonight. While I'm sleeping, I'm probably gonna dream about the charts. Somebody say EJ is starting to move. Uh-oh. You know, I was ready to jump off, but when you start speaking my language, move, Euro, JPY. Ooh, aha, I like that. Okay, good stuff, good stuff. Good stuff. I like it. I ain't going nowhere. I'm 2 standards in on this one. Yeah, I'm 2 standards in. I can't go nowhere. Oh man, let me see where I'm at on this trade. Um, let me see. Let me see if I'm in profit yet. If I'm in profit, I'm gonna let y'all go. Come on, hurry up and load up, phone. Oh, that's what I'm talking about, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Woo! Well, that's what I like to see. That's what I like to see. All blue, baby. All blue. Hold on, I think I'll show you this. All blue. Y'all probably wouldn't understand. Y'all probably wouldn't understand my chart if you saw it, but I'm gonna let you see it. You probably wouldn't understand it. Okay, 1 second. All right, you probably wouldn't understand it, but it's okay. I'm gonna see if I can put it over here so you can see it. Okay, where am I? Oh, I'm in the dark. Why I'm in the dark like a creep? Ooh, y'all see those numbers? Come back, come back. I love this. Man, my phone just died. Oh, there we go. Look at those. Look at those. Oh, come closer. Come closer. Come closer. Oh. What that Euro JPY? Oh, that's that Bitcoin I'm still holding. I'm still holding that Bitcoin. Oh, man. Oh, why is it freezing? Oh, that looks good. All right. Oh, that Ripple too I'm holding. But anyway, team, how long that screen been broken? Let me tell you, if you haven't broken your screen, you're not a good trader. All traders I know has broken their screen because we always got our phone in our hand. So I had to put one of these pop-up sockets on here. And my wife said, hey, go to T-Mobile and get a new phone. You can get one. You can get a new phone. I don't want it. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to break it again. So I'll use this one until I can't use it anymore. Let's go. I'm in a good mood tonight. I'm in a good mood now. I'm fired up. Woo! Let's go. 2 more hours. Now, I wasn't feeling like that early. I was down like 4,000 negative. Doesn't matter how good of a trader you are, team, you're still going to get emotional. You're still going to get emotional. I can't teach you how to eliminate emotions when it comes to trading because I haven't figured it out myself. Now I'm going to sleep. I'm going to sleep good tonight. All right, thank you guys. Good night. See you on the next one.